Hey! It's me, Jera. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will have a tutorial on how to activate Office 365 Students account. So, let's start. Are you using Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in doing your schoolwork? Well, I have a good news for you. You will finally have your Microsoft 365 Students account. What is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is an updated service of Microsoft Office. It is designed to help you achieve more with innovative Office apps, intelligent cloud services, and world-class security. Using your Microsoft 365 Students account, you can easily access upgraded productivity tools like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other exciting applications like MS Outlook and MS Teams, and many more that you can use in doing your schoolwork. Another good news, you can install Microsoft 365 on your computer, laptop, tablet, and cell phone. So exciting, right? Before I will continue, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. Alright, so I will now start the tutorial on how to activate Office 365 Students account. First, you need to have your username and your temporary password. You can have this from your teacher advisor. Next, using your favorite web browser, go to office.com. Just type office.com on the address bar and click enter. This is how office.com website looks like. If another account is already signed in, just click switch to different account. Now, put your username and click sign in. Enter your temporary password given by your teacher advisor and click sign in. After clicking sign in, you can see this. Update your password. You need to update your password because this is the first time you are signing in, or because your password has expired. On the first line, enter your temporary password given by your teacher advisor. And then, for the new password, enter the password that you like. Make sure that you can easily remember your new password. To create a strong password, it must be a combination of letters and numbers. On the third line, confirm password, just retype your new password to confirm. Then click sign in. After clicking sign in, you can see this. More information required. Just click next. Now, you need to set up authentication of mobile phone, email, or security question. Just in case you forgot your password, you can still use any of the three in recovering your account. You need to set up at least one of the three options below. We will now set up using email. Just enter a valid email address. Then click Email Me. Verification code will be sent through the email that you've entered. Open the email and copy the verification code. Paste it in the box and click Verify. Now click Finish. Then you can see this, Stay Sign In. Click the box stating Don't show this again. If you own the device that you are using right now, click Yes. If you are not the owner of the device that you are using right now, click No. Congratulations! You finally activated your Office 365 student account. Just click the Close button for you to finally use your Office 365 student account. I hope you've learned something by watching this tutorial video. Don't forget to like and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our mobs. Thanks for watching. Keep safe everyone. Bye!